Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Hi Crypto Coin, the wallet, and mining app. And maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Right? Is this a good way for you to make money? Should you be managing your crypto through this platform? And can you still get free crypto? All right. So let's review this. And at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are great, some of them so-so, some of them an absolute waste of time. Okay, so let's check out Hi to find out whether this is legit and whether this is a good use of your time. All right, now Hi is basically a cryptocurrency, but it's also a project that allows you to do several things. All right, first of all, you can manage all your crypto on this platform. All right, so you can buy cryptocurrency. You can also or you used to be able to get free crypto by mining it. All right, and you can also get this little debit card here where you can spend your money and get some discount and 5% cashbacks on the actual spending that you're doing. So pretty good stuff, right? And they had some additional benefits and games and things like that that you could actually use on the app. All right. Now, previously, Hi was very, very popular, okay, and the price was very, very high, and I'll show you in a minute here. But what they've done recently is they've actually removed the ability to make free crypto, all right? And that's why it was so popular in the past, right? So the idea behind the project is really interesting. You can do multiple things. You can manage your cryptocurrency on here, crypto and fiat. You've got a card that you can use at stores and stuff like that. But the reason why it was so popular in the past was because you could actually mine for free Hi coins every single day, all right? And that's why the price was so high, okay? Now this is at its peak, it was about 150, 154. That was the peak, and currently right now it's at very, very low. It's it's close to zero basically. Okay, just a little bit above zero. All right. So I mean, it has crashed significantly, and unless they make some serious changes, I don't know. This is just my personal opinion. It doesn't really look like they're going to do that well in the future. All right, and I'll show you some evidence of this, later on. But again, this is all speculation, right? But currently, it's not doing so well. All right, and the reason is because they removed the ability for you to make free crypto. All right, that was the reason why it was doing so well in the past. Of course, there are other things that you can use this app for. You can manage your crypto. You can buy crypto. You can use a card. You can get discounts and things like that. But because they removed the ability for people to make free Hi coin, things have significantly changed for the business. Okay, the other thing as well is they've had a lot of technical issues recently, right? And people haven't been able to take out their Hi coins. Some people have lost their Hi coins. So there's a lot of stuff going on with this company that may or may not be a red flag for you. Okay, now, because they have removed the ability for you to make free Hi coin, a lot of people are not so interested in the platform anymore. But you can see here, I'm just in the Google Play Store and just looking at their reviews. Recently, they've had a ton of 1-star reviews. Okay, so Tom says it's a piece of junk. Takes many sign-up iterations, get past timeout problems, never got past that message. And then all of a sudden I get a Telegram message. Then I tried doing the driver's license validation with failed or cost, send a message to the person. Guess what? Never heard from them. Surprise, surprise. So basically, a lot of the 1-stars have to do with this particular problem. A lot of people are having problems signing up. A lot of people are having problems logging in. A lot of people are not getting support requests answered, right? So lots of problems. Another big problem is this. Okay, I had almost $300 of Hi dollars staked on the app over a year. I've been with the project since the beginning. Now the money is gone and there's no way to recover my investment. I thought it was safe because I'd staked it, but no, they literally burned their invest mentors and their funds if they had it locked up. So after 3 years, I'm deleting the app. Total waste of time. Okay, so there are quite a few people that have said this. There are quite a few people that have had their Hi coins inside of the Hi wallet, and all of a sudden it just disappeared. Now, as an investor and someone who's trying to support the project, or if you believe in it, or maybe you want to use this app to stake your currency, I mean, that's something that you don't want to hear. Okay, I'm a big crypto investor as well, and stuff like this, news like this is unfortunately not great, right? Red flags. So again, you take this information and do what you want with it, but this is from a real user, and even someone, this one, right? Another 1-star. I had 44 high coins, but it's not showing in my country. Unable to verify my account. I used to have more high coins, but it said it was active and inactive. So I still got a message about 44 active, but unable to find it in the app, right? There's no contact or chat support. Only a few options in chat. Where can I send my problem to? So again, people just having issues locating their coins, which I think is a it's a big red flag. That's not very good. All right. This one source, Scott, says, unfortunately, this app has turned into a bit of a scam. Rewards were stripped after a few months. They never got approval from FCA, so are blocking UK accounts now too, but they're keeping your crypto locked. Seems pretty illegal. Okay, so just little things like that. A lot of dodginess going on recently, and with this massive dip in their price, which happened basically during the crypto winter, but they still never got out of it right now, which is not very good. Okay. So again, lots of some people saying 5 stars. This was in November. Pity the coin has dropped so much. Hopefully it will regain its old price. So some people still having some good results, but recently a lot of 1 stars. Okay, not able to log in. Having problems with the password. I mean, this is just talking about the price. Deleted the account for no reason. Look at this. Worst crypto wallet ever. Took away all my mine coins. Wasted minus time, data, and resources. So for this one, I think it has to do with them removing the ability for you to mine coins, right? So apparently the communication wasn't very good, and a lot of people were taken by surprise, and so that's not a very good thing. Obviously they need to sort out their team and their communications internally. But some people are having some okay results. Look at this 4-star. Nice app, dev team, add Google Play, purchase in-app, so that's good right there. This one, I'd give less if I could. Since I was in since the beginning of the app, they didn't offer what they said they were going to offer. Tried to close their account, but was no way to be able to do it. So a mixture right now, but lots of 1 stars recently, but a couple of 5 stars right here. All right, so the question is this a good way for you to make your money? Okay, well, it really depends on who you are. I think sometimes a lot with these crypto projects, they have a lot of teething issues, right? So if you're here because you want to make free high coin mining, they've removed that option, so you can't do that anymore, right? So high as an app, all you would be using High for is basically a crypto wallet where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. All right, now the problem is that there have recently been a lot of complaints about them not being able to log in and things like that. So that may or may not be a good thing for you. Only you can decide. But it sounds to me like currently the high community, the high ecosystem, they're having a lot of technical issues, right? So maybe that might be a sign for you to not put your money there, but only you can decide that. All right, but yeah, not doing so well because they removed the way for you to get free cryptocurrency, unfortunately. And I think that, look, if you're going to be investing your hard-earned money, you don't want your money to disappear. You don't want to stake coins and then have it gone, things like that. They need to really fix that. There are so many other better wallets where you don't have to worry about these kind of issues. So if I were you, I probably would not be looking at High as a crypto wallet right now, or even as a project, because it just seems like they have way too many issues. All right, but only you can decide that. But if you want to check them out, you can go to High at high.com, and you can download them as well from the Google Play Store if you want to check it out. All right, now if you are here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make money online, right? So many different ways. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies. I've invested hundreds of thousands of my own money into different projects, and out of all of them, I still think that as a beginner, to go from absolutely zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 online is a very specific strategy. And if you want that strategy, go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you my free masterclass on exactly how you can do that. I hope you enjoyed this review of the High coin wallet, cards, ecosystem, cryptocurrency. Take care, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.